Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail. So I have some happy mail from my bestie. So if you're interested in seeing what some of you guys sent me, then stay tuned. Hey. Alright, you guys, so I have some amazing besties that I am so appreciative for, and I just want to just hug and love on everybody, and it just gives me so much joy when people think enough about me to want to do something for me. It like literally brightens up my heart. Like, I'm like that kid that goes back and tells my mom, like, Mom, look what happened, like somebody sent me this. Like, yeah, that's still me. So my mom be knowing all the tea, okay, because I be telling her what's going on with the besties. So anyways, my girl Pat and my girl Lisa G, they decided that they were going to send me some goodies, and I'm like, oh my gosh, okay. So I wasn't expecting what was in the mail, and I kind of had an idea, but I wasn't sure. So with Pat, me and her were talking. We were on like a group call or something on Zoom, and she was like working in her kitchen, and I'm nosy, okay? So if you ever do something with me, I'm nosy, and not nosy in a bad way. I'm just interested in people. So anyways, it stuck out to me that she had like a glass cake holder, and y'all know if you got a glass cake holder, or if you got one of them old plastic ones that look a little frosted and got like a tan color bottom, yeah, those ones, that's how you know it's a real cook in there. So I was like, hey, you be cooking cakes? So we got in a whole discussion about it. She was like, yeah, I'm gonna bring one to the retreat. So anyways, we got to talking later on, and she was like, well, I want you to try it first, so then you can tell me if you like it, and if you like it, I'll bring one in for the girls on the committee so that you guys can have a snack. I was like, okay, girl. So I got a notification from her, go check your post office box. I was like, okay, girl. So I went and checked it, and y'all, inside of there was this amazing cake. Now I have since like rewrapped it and stuff, but I kept it in the box for right now till I go put it in my little cake holder. But if this just shows you any, I'm on a whole diet. So I actually cut this to give this to Tay last night, but I didn't drive, so I totally forgot about putting this in the car when I was going to listen to Tay sing. But she sent me, y'all, a whole pound cake. Do you hear me? Like a whole pound cake out here. And look, I'm gonna just show y'all I'm showing y'all what it looked like. So you already know, okay, like this was all tightly wrapped up, sent in this box, like freshly made. As soon as you open up, my goodness, I'm getting the thrills all over again. As soon as you open it up, you can smell the goodness of this pound cake. And I'm not gonna like open it, but you can see, like, I've cut a slice out of here, right? You see the slice, and it's still, look at this. This is just moist, goody good goodness. When I tell you it's crisp, okay, it's got that good, nice outing, like outing. Like, it has this nice little, just, listen, I got to go put this somewhere. I've told myself that if I work out 3 times this week, I can indulge in another piece of cake. So if I work out today, I can get a piece of cake. If I work out on Thursday, I can get a piece of cake. That's how we gonna do this. Like, so first of all, I gotta eat the cake before I work out, because I gotta work off the cake. You know what I'm saying? Because this is some goody good goodness. Like, this is real life pound cake out here. Like, I don't know who just, listen. So anyways, needless to say, y'all probably gonna see this at the retreat, because it tastes just like my grandma's. Like, I literally was at my desk about to tear up, because my grandmother passed away like a couple of years back, and she was the one that made the pound cakes for us that literally taste like just amazing. It's not like, you know, you have your 7-Up cakes, those are good, but when you can get a good rich pound cake, this is really showing how much of a big girl I am, okay? Because I like to eat. So this is, I'm about to get into the moist, buttery goodness. Like, I'm serious about my food, okay? But I am so excited that she decided to send me this pound cake to try out, and so I will be taking it over and sharing it with my family so that they can have some as well, and they can be a taste tester. And like I said, I wanted to take some for Tay, which is Octavia, so that she can have her a piece as well. All right, so thank you so much, Pat, for that. Like, you're amazing. Okay, first of all, that was awesome. Thank you very much. And she also sent me this cute little card as well. And she was like, don't worry about the wrapping, you know, because I just wanted to make sure. I'm like, girl, ain't nobody worried about that. I am not worried about how you wrap it up. All right, now, Lisa, listen. I don't know. Lisa said she was moving and she wanted to send me some stuff. And I'm like, okay, cool, send me some stuff. And she was like, I got a couple of packages. So I'm thinking like, okay, like it's gonna be like 1 to 2. Baby girl sent me at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She sent me 6 packages, okay? This is, I had to take the stuff out of there because I had like so much going on. So I needed to take that off of there. But your girl was like, what? Okay, so I ended up like trying to open up some of this stuff. But she sent me a lot of her de-stash items. So she wanted to, she's moving, and she thought enough of me that she wanted to not throw them away. But she said, I know you could use them or you will find a good home for them. So I'm like, listen, I'm here for anytime anyone wants to, you know, bless and gift others. So I was at our planner meetup the other day and I went ahead and opened everything up. I ain't give nobody nothing though. They was eyeballing. They was eyeballing my stuff, but I ain't give nobody nothing because I was like, y'all ain't finna get me all caught up in the I was gonna say caught up in physical attraction. Okay, I have a problem, if y'all didn't know. I'm just trying to make sure I don't have any more of her items in here, like just kind of stuck somewhere, because that's the thing. That sounds like something Elaine Michelle would do. Okay, so we're good now. We're good. We're Gucci by Gucci. I can put this to the side, and I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys really quickly all of the things. Let me put this to the side. Hold on. I got a lot of stuff going on over here. Okay. Whew. Put this over here. Okay. Like, look at all this stuff baby girl sent me. Like, she even said, like, you could tell she was like setting stuff aside to make sure that I got it. She like put me to the side. So I got several of the Erin Condren books here. Let me see. Let me try to get into them all together. So I have the designer sticker book, the classic collection. This is the one of the very first ones. I love it. Okay, I'm here for it. And then I got the number 4, the last one. I think this is the last one that came out. And this one is super duper cute. Oh, actually, it's not the last one because I think they've had one more since then. And then this is number 3. And it just has the like little, you know, stickers and stuff in there. And you can stick these throughout. So this makes, I love it. I just love it. I'm so excited for that. So I got 2 of the number 4s and 1 of the classic ones and then 2 of the number 3s. And then I also got a number 2. Yes, come through number 2. Okay, so I pretty much got the whole collection right here. Yeah, she did. Yes, she did. She did it. Okay, so we have these Erin Condren books. Okay, I'm like super excited now. Even going back through these again, I don't think I realized all of the stuff that was in here. Okay, so then I got the All Glam Planner sticker books, which these are the ones that were at Walmart. Yeah, these are the Walmart ones. And a lot of these, I mean, she barely used a sticker out of. It kind of reminds me of me. But they're still like intact. Like, look at this. Are you not here for this? I'm here for this sticker book. I want to see how they stick on there. But I think these would be perfect for me to keep at work. This one here would be perfect for me to keep at work, just because of the things it says in there. And then we have this one here. Oh, this is cute. So stinking cute. Oh, I'm here for it. And then this one here as well. And I just really like the stuff that's inside of here. And it does remind you a lot of the Happy Planner sticker book, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Okay, so this is the same. Look, I'm like, I love this one. I think this is the same like this one. It is. And I'm like, I love it so much. So that lets you know I really did like both of those. So those are the All Glam Planner sticker books that I got. Okay, let's get into these ones. I think these are the ones from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. I'm trying to, yeah, these are the ones from Hobby Lobby. And yep. Okay, so we have these ones here. And oh, this is so cute. Look, it has field trip practice. This is perfect, and they're already like kind of, so I can just stick these in the back of my planner and have those right there. And then we have these little icon stickers. Y'all know I live for icon stickers. Those are my zhush, like for real, like my zhush. And then we have these, like to do laters, Bestie here, don't care. I like these a lot. It's good to be home, meetings, appointments, volunteer. I love the color tones of these because y'all know I'm a rose gold girl. So those are super duper cute. And then we have these, look at these greens and these pinks and these cheetah print. Oh, you better come through. Come through with the marble. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I don't think I have any like blue anything, so this will come in handy because I don't have a lot of blue. I rarely step outside of my comfort zone, but that blue is speaking to my soul right now. That is really cute. Okay, so that's that sticker book. And then we have this one. It looks like this was like a workout sticker book. And it has like your hydrate, your HTO, little icons for meals, distance, ooh, little workout weights, little workout weights, and then some scales. Oh, those are cute. Oh yes, I love it. This is gonna be perfect. She didn't even know I was on this journey, and here we are. We have the stuff that we need to market. I'm so excited. Oh, I could use that. I'm here for that. I am here for it. All right, so then we have this sticker book here, and this looks like some cactuses of some sort. And oh, these colors, pastels are my thing. Y'all know that I've said that many a times. These are my colors here. That mint green and that pink does it to my soul every single time. Super duper cute. I'm here for it. All right, and then we get into the Create 365, basically the Happy Planner stuff. And these are some cute books that I hadn't seen. This is the Planner Basics, but it's like a smaller one. So you get 5 sheets of these stickers. And of course, you know, I'm loving the rose gold and the mint. That's like, I told y'all, it's my thing. This is the thing. I feel like she listened to me and was like, she'll love this. She'll love this one. And then we just have all of these, listen, all of these sheets here. Now, some of these fit for the big, but like, I love this big pencil here. I'm gonna let Bubba get this one and put in his planner because I think he'll just love that one to mark different things that he has going on for school. And then we have our, look, I'm getting ahead of myself. We got some snow days, amazing. These ones are kind of, like I said, for the big planner, big happy planner, but I do have a notebook that these can fit in. So, and you can always use any sticker in any planner. That doesn't matter at all. Okay, so this one is super cute, this summer one, summer vibes, summer loving. I love that. And then we have our Christmassy ones, and then some tabs back here that you can use. And then just some times. Those are so cute. And some more times. And then we had the little spring one, and I used some of these in my Hobonichi this past week. So that's a thing. And then, oh, this is not a part of that. That's for something else. Sorry about that. All right, so that. Then she sent me this little sticker pad here. She sent me a lot of stuff, didn't she? Bubba's over here like, Mom. And then we got this book. Now this one came from one of like the paper pack type things. That is so cute. Hustle Your Heart Out, Dream Bigger. I love this one. I know this was like Glam Girl, I believe. Okay. Oops, sorry, I keep bumping that microphone. And then we have some more of the little sticker book. Like, this is so cute. These are cute items. Okay. Then we have the washi. She sent me this washi. I have not had like the little washi strips ever. So this was super cute. And she ended up sending me 2 of them. So your girl got 2 of them. Now we got time. Like, I can let Bubba use some for his planner, and I can have some for mine. That's the like Halloween ones. And then the summertime ones. These are just really cute ones. I love it. I love that washi. Then she gave me the Be Fit one. And it has just a little washi down here for a healthy life, living your best life, lifting your best life. Okay, it doesn't say that on there. I just made that up. But look at all the stuff that you get in here. Super duper cute. All right, and then we have this one here, which was one of the ones that I wanted to find that I never grabbed. But this is so cute. Look at these. And these are just like, let me show you what it does. So like it's washi that you can stick. Like if you had washi on a roll, like my Simply Gilded, it's literally just like that washi right there, okay? I think I love that. I love it so much. And it just has all the different designs and stuff on here, and it's super cute. All right, and then we have this one, which is the colorful boxes and the color story. She sent me both of these, so let's go into the colorful boxes. We have the metallic silver in the back, and then we have the gold, and then the black ones, and then we have like the pastel-y colors, and then some more like pinks, and then greens, and then let's see, yeah, pinks and greens, and then that's it. So you have a whole, I don't think she even pulled a sticker out of here. Child, she didn't send me a whole colorful boxes. Ain't pulled nan sticker out of here. And then we have Color Story, and Color Story is super cute. We got the little like fall things back here, weekends, to-dos. Look at these stickers, they are so cute. Shout out to the trash man that's running right now outside. Like, kudos to you. This is super cute. This is one of the newer ones too. Look at this. Oh, I love that rose gold in there. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Got the Wanderlust in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I really like this one, and then like the mermaid looking one. This is so cute. So you guys saw all of the things that I got from my girl Lisa. Thank you so much for gifting us with all of these goodies. I definitely appreciate it, like seriously. And whatever I don't use, I'll be taking it to my D-Stash in my local planner meetup here in Memphis. But I'm like, look, y'all done spoiled me today. Like, this a whole lot of. I get stuff all the time from people, not like, let me say this, I don't get stuff all the time, so it ain't like y'all just out here sending me package after package. But I do appreciate anything that anyone sends me, because like I said, you don't have to do it at all. It just really blesses my soul to know that someone thought enough about me to, you know, just go ahead and be like, such is life. Okay, so with that being said, let's get out of here. I'm finna go. Okay, I'm not finna eat this piece of cake because I'm not finna work out right now. I'm finna go get ready to take Bubba to school and get on with our lives. But I'm gonna take this piece of cake to work with me in the event that I do get a little walk in and I can eat some of this cake. Okay, so if you guys are here for this cake and all of these stickers, just go ahead, click on this next video that's about to show up. I mean, why not? You've came this far, why not go ahead and click on the video? I mean, I would wait, but I actually have things to do, so I'm just gonna let you click. Okay, you click on your own time. Okay, it's your choice. You make the right decision right now. I'm just saying, don't let me do it for you. Do it for you. Okay, do it for your soul and your heart and your mind and your spirit. You can do it. All right, you guys, I love you. Mwah. KK, bye.